Cyclists, get ready to upgrade your ride. Today, we're exploring 20 practical bicycle gadgets on Amazon that make every journey smoother, safer, and way more enjoyable. From smart accessories that boost your comfort and visibility to clever tools that solve everyday riding problems, these gadgets are designed to enhance your cycling experience in ways you didn't expect. Whether you're commuting daily, hitting long trails, or just riding for fun, stick around till the end. Some of these picks are so useful, you'll wonder how you ever rode without them. Number 1. Wearable 4U Cycling Headlight Camera. Riding at night and worried about both visibility and safety? The Wearable 4U Cycling Headlight Camera solves two problems in one powerful device. It combines a bright, high-lumen headlight with a built-in HD camera that records every ride in sharp detail. Durable, weather-resistant construction ensures reliable performance in all conditions, while the long battery life keeps you covered on extended trips. Easy to mount and simple to operate, it's perfect for commuters and adventure riders. Stay visible, capture your journey, and ride with confidence, knowing everything ahead is clearly lit and recorded. Number 2. Garmin Edge 540 GPS Cycling Computer. Struggling to track your performance or getting lost on new routes? The Garmin Edge 540 GPS Cycling Computer turns every ride into a smart, data-driven experience. Featuring precise GPS tracking, real-time navigation, and advanced performance metrics, it helps you monitor speed, distance, and endurance with ease. The bright, easy-to-read display works in all lighting conditions, while its long battery life supports extended rides. Built for both beginners and serious cyclists, it keeps you on track and constantly improving. Train smarter, explore farther, and take full control of your cycling performance. Number 3. Unit 1. Faro Smart Helmet. Concerned about visibility and safety on busy roads? The Unit 1 Faro Smart Helmet takes protection to the next level with built-in LED lights and smart turn signals. Its durable, impact-resistant shell provides reliable head protection, while integrated lighting keeps you visible day and night. Control signals easily with a wireless remote, making your movements clear to drivers. Comfortable padding and adjustable straps ensure a secure fit for long rides. Perfect for urban commuters and night cyclists, this helmet blends safety, technology, and style into one powerful upgrade for your everyday riding experience. Number 4. Cidilock Viking Chain Lock. Worried about leaving your bike unattended in public spaces? The Cidilock Viking Chain Lock delivers a serious security with heavy-duty hardened steel links designed to resist cutting and tampering. Its flexible chain design makes it easy to wrap around racks, poles, or secure fixtures. A protective sleeve prevents scratches on your bike frame while ensuring long-term durability. Built for city riders and commuters, it provides peace of mind wherever you park. Strong, reliable, and built to last, this lock keeps your bike safe so you can focus on your ride without constant worry. Number 5. Young Hitch Mount Bike Rack. Transporting your bike shouldn't be a struggle. The Young Hitch Mount Bike Rack makes travel simple, secure, and stress-free. Built from heavy-duty steel, it holds multiple bikes firmly in place during transit. Its sturdy frame prevents wobbling, while the foldable design allows easy storage when not in use. Quick installation means you're ready for road trips, trails, or weekend adventures in minutes. Perfect for cyclists who love exploring new locations, this rack frees up interior car space and ensures your bikes arrive safely, making every journey smoother and more convenient. Number 6. Cidilock FoldyLock Compact Lock. Need strong bike security without carrying bulky gear? The Cidilock FoldyLock Compact Lock offers high-level protection in a sleek, foldable design. Made from hardened steel plates, it resists cutting attempts while folding down into a compact size for easy storage. Lightweight and frame-mountable, it stays out of your way until needed. Perfect for commuters and urban cyclists, it combines portability with serious strength. No more heavy chains or awkward locks, just reliable, convenient security that keeps your bike protected wherever you go. Number 7. Epessa Bike Rack Stabilizer. Strap bike wobbling during transport can be frustrating and risky. The Epessa Bike Rack Stabilizer strap keeps everything locked in place for a smooth, secure ride. Made from durable, stretch-resistant material, it firmly secures wheels and frames to prevent shifting and scratches. Adjustable and easy to install, it fits various bike sizes and rack types effortlessly. Perfect for road trips or daily transport, this simple accessory reduces noise, improves stability, and protects your bike from damage. Small upgrade, huge impact on safety and peace of mind. Number 8. Opel 10-in-1 Bike Speaker Mount. Want more convenience and entertainment while riding? The Opel 10-in-1 Bike Speaker Mount combines multiple features into one compact powerhouse. It functions as a Bluetooth speaker, phone holder, power bank, and more, all mounted securely on your handlebars. Built with durable, weather-resistant materials, it handles outdoor conditions with ease. Perfect for long rides or commutes, it keeps navigation visible, music playing, and devices charged. This all-in-one gadget reduces clutter while enhancing your cycling experience, making every ride more fun, connected, and efficient. Number 9. Garmin Varia RV-R315 Rear Radar. Not knowing what's behind you can make riding stressful. The Garmin Varia RV-R315 Rear Radar gives you real-time awareness of approaching vehicles, boosting your safety instantly. It connects to your bike computer or smartphone and alerts you when cars are coming from behind, even at long distances. Compact, lightweight, and easy to mount, it fits seamlessly into your setup. Perfect for road cyclists and commuters, it reduces surprises and increases confidence on busy roads. Ride smarter, stay alert, and enjoy greater control over your surroundings. Number 10. Alpcour Indoor Bike Trainer. Bad weather stopping your rides? The Alpcore Indoor Bike Trainer turns your regular bike into a stationary workout machine. Built with a sturdy steel frame and adjustable resistance levels, it delivers a smooth, quiet riding experience indoors. Easy to set up and compatible with most bikes, it's perfect for training, fitness, or maintaining your routine year-round. No more excuses. Ride anytime, anywhere, regardless of weather. A practical, space-saving solution for staying active and improving performance at home. Number 11. Topeak MTX Trunk Bag. Running out of space for your essentials on long rides? The Topeak MTX Trunk Bag gives you smart, expandable storage right on your bike. Designed with durable, weather-resistant fabric, it keeps your gear protected from dust and rain. Multiple compartments and side panels provide organized storage for tools, snacks, and personal items. Its quick-release mounting system makes installation fast and secure. Perfect for commuters and touring cyclists, this bag eliminates bulky backpacks and keeps your ride balanced, comfortable, and efficient every time you hit the road. Number 12. ISMPN Series Bike Saddle. Uncomfortable rides ruining your cycling experience? The ISMPN Series Bike Saddle is engineered for maximum comfort and performance. Its pressure relief design reduces numbness and improves blood flow, making long rides smoother and pain-free. Built with high-quality materials and a sleek aerodynamic shape, it supports proper posture while enhancing pedaling efficiency. Lightweight yet durable, it's perfect for road cyclists, triathletes, or commuters. If you're tired of soreness and discomfort, this saddle transforms your ride into a more enjoyable, high-performance experience. Number 13. KOM Cycling 1000L Front Light. Struggling to see clearly during night rides? The KOM Cycling 1000L Front Light delivers powerful illumination that lights up even the darkest roads. With multiple brightness modes and a wide beam angle, it enhances visibility and safety in all conditions. Built from durable, weather-resistant materials, it performs reliably in rain or rough terrain. Easy to mount and USB rechargeable, it's perfect for commuters and trail riders alike. Stay visible, ride confidently, and enjoy every journey with this high-performance lighting upgrade. Number 14. Redshift Arklight Pro LED. Pedals. Worried about being seen from all angles while riding? The Redshift Arklight Pro LED pedals solve that with built-in motion-activated lights that shine as you pedal. These smart pedals increase visibility from every direction, especially at night or in low-light conditions. Durable and weather-resistant, they handle tough rides with ease. The rechargeable battery ensures long-lasting performance, while the sleek design keeps your bike looking modern. Perfect for commuters and urban cyclists, these pedals boost safety without adding bulk or complexity. Number 15. Asievie Smart Bluetooth Helmet. Want a smarter, safer riding experience? The Asievie Smart Bluetooth Helmet combines protection with advanced technology. Built-in Bluetooth lets you take calls, listen to music, or get navigation directions without distractions. LED lights improve visibility, while the durable shell provides reliable head protection. Comfortable padding and adjustable straps ensure a secure fit for long rides. Perfect for commuters and tech-savvy cyclists, this helmet keeps you connected, safe, and in control, making every ride more convenient, enjoyable, and efficient. Number 16. Uump Mini Bike Pump 120 PSI flat tire in the middle of nowhere. The Uump Mini Bike Pump 120 PS gets you back on the road fast. Compact and lightweight, it fits easily in your pocket or mounts to your bike frame. Despite its small size, it delivers powerful air pressure for quick inflation. Built with durable materials, it's reliable in emergencies and long rides alike. Perfect for road cyclists, commuters, or mountain bikers, this pump ensures you're always prepared, turning unexpected breakdowns into quick, stress-free fixes. Number 17. Tailgator Brake. Sensing tail light. Worried about drivers not noticing when you slow down? The Tailgator Brake sensing tail light automatically brightens when you brake, alerting vehicles behind you instantly. This smart safety feature mimics car brake lights, improving visibility and communication on the road. USB rechargeable and easy to mount, it's built for convenience and reliability. Weather-resistant and durable, it performs in all conditions. Perfect for commuters and night riders, this tail light adds an extra layer of safety, helping you ride with confidence in traffic. Number 18. OxBeam Electric Mini Bike Pump. Tired of manual pumping taking forever? The OxBeam Electric Mini Bike Pump inflates your tires quickly with the push of a button. Compact yet powerful, it delivers precise pressure with an easy-to-read digital display. Built-in battery and automatic shutoff make it convenient and safe to use anywhere. Lightweight and portable, it fits easily in your bag or bike mount. Perfect for cyclists who value speed and convenience, this smart pump eliminates effort, saving time and energy while keeping your tires perfectly inflated. Number 19. Thule Ride Along Child Bike Seat. Want to bring your child along safely on your rides? The Thule Ride Along Child Bike Seat makes family cycling easy and secure. Designed with a strong frame and adjustable harness, it keeps your child safe and comfortable. Shock-absorbing suspension ensures a smooth ride, even on rough roads. Easy to mount and remove, it fits most bikes effortlessly. Perfect for parents who love cycling, this seat lets you share your adventures while maintaining safety, comfort, and peace of mind on every journey. Number 20. Uump Cycling Tubeless Repair Kit Flat Tire ruining your ride mid-journey? The Uump Cycling Tubeless Repair Kit gets you rolling again in minutes. Compact and lightweight, it fits easily in your pocket or saddlebag. Designed for quick puncture repairs, it includes durable plugs and a sturdy insertion tool for reliable fixes. Perfect for road and mountain bikers, it eliminates the need for bulky repair gear. Stay prepared, save time, and avoid long walks home. This kit is a must-have for every cyclist who values convenience and uninterrupted rides. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more cycling tips. Check out our full list of 20 practical bicycle gadgets on Amazon to upgrade your ride. Stay safe and make every journey smoother, smarter, and more enjoyable.